How to fix McDonald's Monopoly app not showing prizes. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the issue when your McDonald's Monopoly prizes don't show up in the McDonald's app, even after you've entered your codes and it says you've won. If your free food prizes like fries, burgers, or ice cream cones aren't appearing, follow along step by step to solve it. All right, let's get started. First, open your McDonald's app on your phone. Now go to the Monopoly section. This is where you see your game pieces and prizes. You'll notice a button that says Claim Prize. It might seem like that's where your food prizes should appear, but it's not. That section is only for the big prizes, things like TVs, gift cards, or cash rewards. So, where do your food items actually show up? Let's head back to the main page of the McDonald's app. Now tap on App Exclusive Deals. This is the section where your Monopoly food prizes will appear. You'll see all the free items you've won listed there, like small fries, apple pie, a vanilla cone, a McChicken, or a double cheeseburger. But what if nothing shows up there either? Here's the key. It's all about location settings. If your location services are turned off, your prizes won't appear at all. So, go into your phone settings, find the McDonald's app, and make sure location access is turned on. You don't need to enable precise location, but you do need to allow the app to use your location whenever it's running. Once that's done, open your McDonald's app again and check App Exclusive Deals. Your prizes should now be visible. And that's it. That's how you fix the McDonald's Monopoly prizes not showing up issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.